but then now they have a production license. And like you say, if they wanted to, if other companies wanted them to, they can drill from there if they want to other places in the Weald Basin.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's wells have been drilled, on a horizontal level for 14 kilometres plus in the UK, I believe. If you look at Witch Farm, a lot of their wells have been drilled out horizontally into the sea, but it's actually from onshore production platform. Horse Hill and Brockham are roughly, I believe let's say 5 or 6 miles for argument's sake, but it might be kilometres. Yeah. So it's certainly not undoable. There are obviously other assets near the Weald Basin. As you can see, there's a lot of activity going on there now, which is really exciting. So, like you said, it's something you should put. You should put all these companies on your watch list: UKOG, Doremus.
I don't know if you have the answer to this question, but I'm going to ask it anyway. So, for a production license for UK oil and gas, for example, I mean, how long does that take to acquire? And have they started applying for that or what?
Sorry, which company?
I mean, UK oil and gas. Would they have started applying for that or not yet?
I don't actually know, to be honest, where it comes to UKOG. I suspect they probably would have, they would be on that case quite heavily. But I think, it could, in my understanding, it could take a good few years. We saw how long it took just to get a testing approval. So, it could easily be a few years. So if they wanted to kind of expedite that process, one of their options would potentially be to drill it from Brockham.
Yeah. So exactly. Well, that's why
I can't speak for UKOG. I don't know whether that would be their plan.
No, exactly. No.
But it's certainly a nice option for both companies to have, I think.